I think we got it. I think we got it, Pavel. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. Oh, you don't like those cages either, hey? That's what it needs. Another one. These cages shouldn't even be in production, right? So, we've made this cage. We've made this cage good enough. Exactly. We can throw it exactly where it belongs, right, Pebble? Right in the garbage. They suck.
Can I ask you one question?
Yep.
Yeah. How do you make the fart sound without lips?
How'd you do that?
He's hard, though. He's trying to.
Give the people what they want.
Good morning.
No, they don't want a good morning.
Good morning.
No. You know what they want to hear. They didn't really probably want to see you yawn.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's hear your best phrase, Argyle. Everyone's waiting.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? And now you're gonna say what the fuck nonstop? Oh, woo woo. Morning.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You want keys? You want keys?
Blah 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 blah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I was laughing at you for chewing your belly. Don't grab his tail. Do not grab his tail. You're asking for it.
Come here. Yes.
Oh. Look at all of those. Your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
He was a suspect because it was going.
Who's in there?
it, baby. I think you're gonna bite my toes.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet.
here.
I'm a little bit. You're just so strong.
here.
You're so strong.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to bite me.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh.
Oh.
You're so
Come
sweet.
on.
No, baby.
What's the matter, darling?
Nothing.
No.
I love you. I just said.
No. Oh.
I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's
Come here.
why.
What's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No. Wow.
I love you. What?
What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Do you like my stupid bird jokes? Giz, can you turn around?
Why?
Because I want to see your handsome grey face.
Turn my back.
I love you. Ooh. What's so funny?
Burrs.
What's that mean? You're so talkative. Hi. Have a kiss? Thank you, baby. I love you. What mom do? My dear. You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Can I give you a scratch? Oh. He only likes your mom.
Do you love Auntie Lainey?
Who's a pretty bird? It's Angus and Charlie.
I'm a pretty bird, oh yes I am. I'm a pretty bird. Wait, wait, wait.
What happened? Oh my goodness! What?
Bonk. Bonk.
Shrek. 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 Shrek.
No.
Shrek. 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 Mommy,
What, baby?
I have feathers.
I don't have feathers. I have hair. What does Cosmo have?
Have hair.
You don't have hair. Mummy has hair.
Mommy have feathers.
I do not have feathers. I have hair.
Oh my God.
Yeah, what does Cosmo have?
Mommy have feathers.
I do not. You funny girl. You have feathers. Mummy has hair.
Oh, have feathers. Mommy have feathers.
I do not, you knucklehead. You have feathers. Mummy has hair. Cosmo don't have hair. Cosmo has feathers. Mummy has hair.
Oh, what's up? Have feathers. Oh, now what?
You are a jokester. You just trying to get Mummy going. You funny
Mommy
girl.
have feathers.
I don't. I have hair. Cosmo has feathers.
Mommy have hair. Mommy have feathers.
Mummy has hair. Mummy don't have feathers. Cosmo has feathers. That's right. Cosmo has feathers. That's right.
Mommy have feathers.
You jokester. I don't have feathers. Cosmo.
Her name.
My name's Mummy. What's your name?
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mommy have feathers.
I don't have feathers. I have hair, Missy. I do. I don't.
I'm tired, Chuck. What's it, buddy?
Hey, buddy. Listen, buddy. I don't have feathers.
Oh. Tired, Chuck.
Where you go, or is it, listen, bucko. Mummy doesn't have feathers. She has hair. Oh, you're snapping at me now.
Ready? We're gonna put you down, right? We're gonna put you down. Here. Come here. Where's your button? Where's your reset button? Let's switch it. I got it. Are you good now? Is it all done? Do you feel better? What? Tequila. You can't be doing this early in the morning. You're gonna wake up the neighbors. They're gonna call and complain. You know this. I'm gonna call the cops. And cops are gonna come here and arrest me. Take me to jail. And I'm not going back to jail. Okay? I'm not going back to jail.
What's this?
Carrot.
Glass. Glass.
What's that made of?
Glass. Rock. Shrek.
No.
Glass. Shrek. 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 Royal. Shrek. Understand? Shrek. Glass. Glass. Touch purple. Touch purple. Touch purple. Touch purple. Touch purple.
What do you have to say?
Royal. Touch purple. Herb stash. Herb stash. Herb stash.
No chewing.
No chewing. What's that?
What's this?
Shrek. Glass. Wow. That's the wow. Shrek. This is color black. Metal. Metal. Stash. Wow, 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 wow. Royal. Herb stash. Herb stash. Keeper. Cool.
My working theory is that he's stupid.
Blow it. Drop it. Blow it!
Give me him. Give me Lucas. Give me Lucas.
What have you just pinched? Have you just pinched that off my plate? Kiwi, you naughty boy.